How to delete Ludo King account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily delete your Ludo King account if you don't want to use it anymore. First things first, open the Ludo King app on your device and wait until you reach the home screen. Once you're inside the home page of Ludo King, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. You'll open up settings and now from the settings menu, scroll all the way down and look for this request delete account button. Click on it and click on delete account once again. It'll take 30 days for all of your information to be permanently deleted. Click the delete account button and then it'll take 30 days for your account to be deleted. So there you have it. Your account deletion will be in progress. During this process, your account will be blocked and you won't be able to play any game. If you ever want to cancel your deletion, click on revoke request from this menu and you'll be able to get inside the Ludo King account again and your deletion progress will be halted. So that is how you easily delete your account in Ludo King. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.